thanks for joining me today for another Meal Prep Sunday. So today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different and focusing on budget-friendly plant-based meals. And I'm going to be including a cost per serving for each of the meals just in the video and then also on my website. Remember to head on over to NicoleLosinga.com for the full recipes. So why don't we get started? Alright, so the first meal I'm going to be making is an edamame cold noodle bowl. I'm going to be doing a sauce with these items here. Some almond butter. Note, I do have an allergy to peanut butter, or else I'd be using peanut butter because it is a little bit cheaper than almond butter. Some brown sugar, etc. You can save a lot of money by making your own sauces and marinades, so that's a little tip for you. I'm going to be doing a tofu slash tempeh bowl with rice. I'm also going to be making my own sauce using some of the other ingredients from over there. I'm using frozen veg because they're just as healthy as fresh veg and a great way to save some money. I'm also making a kale white bean bowl with some sun-dried tomatoes and some other spices, and then another classic, which is this is the completed meal prep. So we have some overnight oats, which are pretty much a staple. Then we have the kale and sun-dried tomato with white bean skillet recipe, and I put that over quinoa. And I have the cold edamame noodle salad, and then the tofu or tempeh rice bowls with broccoli. So those were the budget-friendly plant-based meals I wanted to put together for you today. So remember, head on over to my website, NicoleLosinga.com, for the full recipes. And I hope that helped you and gave you some tips to help you stay on budget. Everyone's on a budget nowadays. But you can still eat very healthy on a budget. All right, thanks so much, everyone. Bye for now.